Hello, everybody. My name is Ian Lamont. I'm the author of Twitter in 30 Minutes. Today, I'm going to talk to you about how to mute certain phrases on Twitter. And here's what I'm talking about. This is my Twitter account for Lean Media. This is another book that I wrote. And you can see here there's some trends that are showing up. For instance, Bernie. And maybe in my home feed, everyone's talking about Bernie. But you know what? I'm sick of politics. I don't want to see anything about Bernie or Trump or other topics. So that's one thing that I want to get rid of. And the other thing is that I'm sick of seeing news about the Padres and different trades they might be having. That doesn't interest me on Twitter, but it keeps on showing up in my feed. And I want to get rid of those words from showing up in Twitter. So I just have an experience that is devoid of U.S. presidential politics, or a lot of it, and also devoid of the Padres. Here's how you do it. Click on Profile and Settings, select Settings and Privacy, and then on the left side of the page, you'll see a whole bunch of options. We want muted words. When you mute words, you won't be able to see them in your notification or timeline. That's great. So let's add some right now. Okay, so let's do the first one, Bernie. So I want to add Bernie. I want to mute from my home timeline, notifications. And what you can do here is you can select from people you don't follow. So that could be somebody that your friend retweets, or from anybody. That could be including your friends. If you want to, you can set it up for just a certain period of time. So I'm going to just do it for 7 days because this is a big news item today. So I'm going to add that phrase. So I will not see Bernie showing up for the next 7 days. And actually, let's go to home and see if that changed in the trending topics. All right, it's still showing up in trending topics, but in my feed, it will not show up. So let's go back and add another one. What else did I mention? Settings and privacy, muted words. So I already have Bernie, and I can add another one, Padres. I really don't want to see anything about Padres. So the same thing, I can select from people I don't follow or from anybody. I can make it forever or for 7 days or 24 hours or whatever. So let's add that. Okay, and I can keep on going through and add different types of words. I could add Trump for 7 days. I could add maybe the Kardashians if I'm sick of hearing about them for 7 days or for forever or whatever. But this is an effective way to really change what you're seeing in your Twitter feed, particularly if the people you follow like to talk about these topics. So this as I said, this is my Twitter feed, my Twitter account is about media. So I like talking about media. I don't like talking about politics or baseball, so I've muted those particular phrases. For more information on how to get the most out of Twitter, check out my book, Twitter in 30 Minutes, available from in30minutes.com. And thank you so much for watching.